Yamwache mwakwaba Adom Badwam TV Badwam dwumade no so bra yade nwom adidi kan de adu so no ye Badwam kase ensam no do so ne etodwa wo mu bia wo beti ne security service recruitment ekokuma ye wo mrahye badwafie akasa de afa ho nyane kwa so no yede ho nsam no ebebro na fe yasan akwanu amu nso sa security nyuma ye fa bienum ne age no Adom dodo no so aba kire won mo echefa ewo mu eno ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV extra uko go TV a channel no ye 119 DSTV nso 280 uko YouTube Adom TV2 yo ho na fe woje brand so a bradomonline.com sem ni nyina ye de ego ho ene audios ene videos midindi afia amankwa tamaklu afia ni dem sem no so de nchiremo no te eni Kokuma ye wo mrahye badwafiem e de kokobopa mu odin na ema interior ministry no se recruitment ana se nipa bi a wo fa wo adwuma mu no onya hwe yi o mamra no nya na adwuma se de tie Adom kase etwaso.
From a press release issued by the police service at the end of the 2021-2022 recruitment exercise. So backlog is nothing but a creation of this government, the MPP government, in order to allow for an equal access in terms of recruitment into our security agencies. And he has demonstrated once again how dangerous that move is. It portends grave danger for our national security. Can you just imagine? You want to recruit MPP tags, MPP goons alone into our security services. What would become of those personnel? They would simply, constitute tax masquerading as security personnel.
Emmanuel Amakofibu Adom Kumano Banu Deni, Wakasa on some Trofonshire Monasia and Wadiato, Swafo Shay Interior, and Nimuse, so what my wageness or Babe Fat, my boy Juma 4 a woman Mudia, or Momo de Wuru, Nemfa, Quany, SSF, so Sebeya, Gana Funina, Ibina Quenya, Ako Presa di Berenbi.
We call on the Minister of Interior to immediately advertise and subject any planned recruitment into the security services to the established and time-honored transparent processes. In the interest of transparency and accountability, the minority insists that any attempt to recruit personnel into the security agencies under the Ministry of Interior must be preceded by an advertisement which clearly spells out the eligibility criteria in order to allow for equal access and opportunity to all Ghanaians.
Ti NDC ekokuma wa mrahye badwafie mu kasa wie ye no na MPP majority nso won ebekasa ye semfuturo enene ekokuma no tugu Ghana for ani na eda no amanyo ensem.
Some figures and distorted a lot of things which is actually not true. It is inaccurate. He's throwing it into the public to cause political tension with regards to the recruitment process. In the first place, the Ministry of Interior is not recruiting any 11,900 and something figures as they have put it out there. It is never true. And also the fact that there is no backlog in terms of the security recruitment. What is on notice or what is true is that the Ministry of Interior only seek for clearance for the security agencies to recruit people into the security agency.
Adom TV Badwam kase na oguso ehwano na dom kumano a womrahye badwafie mu nso de nsam otudwa say free January 2024 na low shedding akoso wo mayumo wo say committee of mines and energy so ya wondwam tene Samuel Atachia etie dwam kura san ase eno nso mu nsam eni.
That there's been no load shedding is false, it's a figment of his own imagination, and is completely untrue. The evidence before Parliament here, before the Mines and Energy Committee, as documented and signed by the Honorable Atachia, GRIDCO, Energy Commission, PURC, ECG, VRA, and the independent power producers, before the committee confirmed that there's been load shedding since January. And they confirmed that the cause of the load shedding was because they did not have enough money to procure fuel. And so for the President and the Minister of Energy to deliberately peddle that level of falsehood beats our imagination.
Ray Ekasa on my Shibijamon was answered to justice saying, and you may queer Cassia, one to find a May and a sign said ye, and Shashaya one wire, one bow and you swinty, one at 2 1 more Jumma will free man equal.
Government should quickly engage ENI Vitol, engage Springfield, and find an amicable solution and an acceptable roadmap so that we can restore confidence in the sector. But if government continues to be intransigent, my message to ENI Vitol is simple. And have this message from President Mahama himself. On assumption of office, within our first 1 month, we shall use legitimate means, consensus, diplomatic means, and resolve this matter amicably.
Yeah, Niema Buono Etiaba Abontene ya wochre say what the toto month me no emua Niema no ebono koso kakra bi kituwe bi anaso tiba from kituwe bi nanso ohunu ne se niema mu ebono aye edene ebanuane efemu nso a saa eno so ekosoro ehun kuntabuo aye sentwofo nhyiamu ede atoja
June 2023 to June 2024 enyamano bo wo Ghana wa manu modo by 22.8%. Bofukasem your friend year on year inflation. Na if a year on month there it May 2024 to June 2024 ye hu de enyamano bo akosoro by 2.9%. Until from both a month on month and a year on year no ye hu de enyamano bo akosoro wo Ghana ha. Na ye day to 2 that osi wo May boni baka de Messi anyamaru kosoro no wa brase kakra osande May 2024 ye hu de anyamano bo kosoro on a year basis by 23.1% and on a month basis between April and May 2024 okosoro by 3.2%. Inche de anyamano bo orba form wo Ghana ha tedema midi kenken no on both a year basis and abosum na bosum don anyamano bo orokosoro
ochire mu se ensa entampe ebo okosoro hamujichemu aduasa mienu echiripom yensa ya mantem awudu mu nso woko etifedu apoye mantemu a eho ena omaiga na munyina no wohuridi kan ewo ne mabo akosoro emu a ekopie ohamujichemu aduasa num echiripom yenu.
Food inflation ni weight here 42.7% and all the 12 other items all 57.3% alcoholic beverages count into although all recorded high price changes if you relative weight at the national level or form kakra. But regional impensem you the Upper East all recorded the highest overall rate of inflation of 35.2%. Now within Upper East region the item now also alcoholic beverages all recorded rate of inflation in excess of 70% for the month of June 2024.
Na this year be a wo musika akoka sika krabia binding and sato so wo mabo abanya sanka be ya wonfo sika ma wo no e locked up investment holders forum and they one mo bo officer deputy governor of Bank of Ghana and the deputy finance minister bi ese wansoma won mo so wonfo sika enkonto NDK emunsem ene
unbelievable, unfortunate, unacceptable. Say a deputy governor of Bank of Ghana. Bet me akase wo boy en so bo obro say blaming. Say omo di sika koto NDK no e omo asem. NDK so Bank of Ghana na ama on license say dey omo fanya djuma na regulate won. Na say where ma onipa license obi license say ono na ye sika ye mfa nko ho ne mfa nkoto na ye de koto a ade na say twa wo kire ebeka kire say esen ara say de sika dey e ko ho wo blemu yen ye ba yen minister so a minister for finance ono so aka san sem ye bi esen ara say ye de sika e koto ba bia aban ankasa ama say eye security and exchange commission and I say Bank of Ghana amma won krata ase mo mfanya djuma ne nipa de sika akwakoto ho na se asema ba minister no ebeka se o blemu o se wodu sika ekọ ho nti na ye bi se minister se ahin na no pese nipa de sika ko
Adom TV Badwam kase na oguso ehwane ye to so bo ransom foforo mu na enkrai BC so hwe ye ekoso a kina nyankopon ye adom ne dwoada a wonri ebewie no enkwada du emiensa antwro bi enkwada mayua nkono enyem ena akwada ba koduada na won be hyase aka donhwe kakra mo hyase no ana onya ne nteye se wawo ababa wa kama fefefe ewo wanchi mensimu ewo bono mantem
koy na wawo anipa no eye premature baby ene mre ne nso ye ena wawo akona ne nura na mo ga tire exams na no ene keka no nti nura otimi tro pepa ba akope my na na ho de no from nti no moment mi ansa ma na make nti ne de wa mecho wo ansa na wo tro ba na otro ba kuri no na ho de no twa isa nti no ntini ansa mecho
Mami eni amani boni etwetwe nkomo no wode to dwa se de emperewanyinsen akosoro o wanchimensene ni mu no ha dwene pa na wofa saa kwanya no nso ekire enhyehye a na soye no eye se de be ya saa hawi obetumi abre no ase
awofo no emwaye ye ya famu de be ne GS ene UNICEF bo humodia se ebe yinse na firi ho kra ma kra bi enya kwan akọ nanso so wohwe a awofo na famu no eto sini kakra nti yegufo kane no ne draw so chense enso
NDC chairman wo Ablekuma North abaton pesio so ye Henry Akoto or the 2 MPP mpanifo enim se wontu one more parliamentary candidate na wo mensin no mo anase abaton pesio no so efo no munya se NDC wo billboards ahodo no wo mo ebubu no wo ayen sentrefo enhyiamudie ena odin semi etuja.
We urge the NPP constituency hierarchy to advise their parliamentary candidates, Honorable Equia Efriye and her supporters, to respect democratic principles in this constituency. We will not tolerate our billboards being destroyed by the NPP again. If they dare break any of our newly built big boards again, they will not take it lightly. We, the members of the NDC in Ablekuma North constituency, will conduct ourselves with dignity and respect. Yes. The voters in the constituency deserve a peaceful and orderly election.
Ablekuma North New Patriotic Party constituency organizer Alhaji Abubakar Ibrahima enso ede to Adom News Central for enim say ensema NDC 42 dwai no kura bi enim.
Me one person me pe peace pa Ablekuma North eye kru a me papa ewo me wa no manyi wa ma wo mba wa me busefo wa enti me nkoye ade a ede eyi preprehu anase ntoko bi di beba Ablekuma North a me hu bia bia mesesa me mba ne me busefo badwane se bibia anto me kwampa betimi ato me ni ebi ne eyi. So I'm always trying to live in peace in politics I'm here. But meanwhile NDC me futu a me de mo money say me pese yentina sasun.
NDC amanyokuo no parliamentary candidate o achia se ewo poyemantemo ya Samuel Owusu Brakon o say ene ya ban ne sama work year of roads no mni ade no achia se for de omo hunu bisa na numu nsem so ene
achia se town roads yentale yen hu kota ewo krom ha enti achia se enti se kro bi ti se enkran se wakwa akotena tama bebi no wotu kwan po akwa bochi akodi 1 year wanhwa uba wochi a ube yire ofie kwan because we ba ne ye agota yi aka kwan anje se new buildings crampo aba area mu hono so a chance dem no ka say so wotu kwan ko bebi na oba after 20 years ube hu fie kwan because abo a e was akwan no so adu ha polling sa abo na obedu ho na gina ho atwen so many mo ka say ma follow the history of Achiase constituency if you bra na ye ni studio boom up to time be 2012 hoko yetse ye ho ayebenya ya district na constituency potem ha nyina MPP in Achiase constituency ato abama mo so hwemu pa de na chese Achiase man na Achiase constituency de amuni MPP di ni ye wo koma pa enti se amuni MPP di ni ye adenti na chese MPP ejamo sa
Samuel Owusu Brako esanso de to just say NDC amanyokuo no nko a ene betumi edi mpumtu aba wonum krom honom ne sent wo de atomafo ne nyina animu se wonto aba ne bum eman disi amanyokuo no se de be ya so koye mrahye bedwani a obehwe amempumtu aba kronim
asetna me manfo tim no enkoyia na masede as a change agent say was me be catch man for say debi aba no ya to akofa ko acha yen hye de nya so mfa so bia ti mesrem moma yen sesa ya adwen because yenim de NDC aban eba bia utumi ye na yen to aba no ma NDC ni yen to aba no ma me na me ko represent the good people of a chance constituency our parliament na impuntu juma boye wo krom ha no mentwe embra ha na chance constituency so emfa no ntoma pa enfra a chance town
kwapon wa hafumantemo ye nana obu obi fokuo wade to Sunafo North Sunafo South Mensin Assembly was serpa nso hu nsam ewo won ho no wo fom kra nti won nye bibi emfa ho.
First of the media there, so they show your problem seriously. They show that what a bit salty. She would be any. So apart from saying they would be flash, you know, toilet. This year they need. The first, we are my baby. I'm saying soon you should be to. Which will be the man. For now, I'm saying better issues, but so your deficit. They show your problem seriously. With the Badwam, but top cut.
Frank Edusipoku Sunafo South Mensini Krache. Onukruya no science na MPP amanyuku ni dinimu. Apre Sunafo South emrashebedwa akunya no. Bra woni amani boni Samia Sare. Erotwe nkomo en wodi to nanimu se. Mensini no ebo ne homoden se obeye nsu papa. Ama manfo se be ya sa kwansidie ni nyina.
Kwapon yukuru kese je edi kan no metima ye 3 mechanized ball so wa ha ene ya be commission mienu a ba konso ne commission ne dada na afi so ye water system a okrum ha so na akwatwe ne nyame adom yaba ye de share community water and sanitation agency nsa our mobile be revamp Kwapon water system no baby e sensu ko bi omudi bi beko na obi nsu ofia otimi achim anyansu ade adi ne dwuma
ya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na ye de asia sedan koma se wo hwe ne mum koso na ne yentna wo Facebook/Adom TV extra na Go TV 119 DSTV 280 oko YouTube sesia nso a Adom TV 2 ye wo ho jibre na kwa adomonline.com ensem ni nyina videos audios ni nyina nso e wo ho oko podcast nso a recording so edi egu ho nti bia wo social media de Adom TV ye wo ho yenkomra ye nche na ye de bonkrata no ene de online stories e wo ma ya no penso atwaso